Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to make my grandmother's sauce. So it's one recipe that I've never shown anybody, so you guys are the first. So I'm going to take you guys along, follow me, and I'll show you what the ingredients that I put in. Got the Italian music going. I use a lot of olive oil. A little bit of salt. Alright, now we gotta turn on the heat, and meanwhile Zena's attacking my feet. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So, once this heats up, we're gonna add some onions, about, I would say about almost a cup. It's hot enough. Start with that. And I need my wooden spoon. Add the garlic, and I usually use about 5 or 6 cloves. I like lots of garlic. Okay, I'm gonna just mix that in. So now we've got some banana peppers. So I'm gonna add these in. And just for a little bit of spice, I cut them so you can get some of the seeds in there. So I'm just going to cook those. Just a little bit. And then we're going to add the tomatoes. Okay. So I'm still pureeing the rest of the tomatoes, so you can still do a little bit at a time. Or you can puree your tomatoes beforehand and just have them ready in a bowl. So the next thing I'm going to add in here is my parsley. Lots of parsley. And then I'm going to add some basil, and I usually add basil also at the close to the end to give it more flavor. Alright guys, so now we're going to add the meatballs and drop it into the sauce, and then we're going to just let it cook for probably about an hour and a half. So I just let it go. Ground chicken, and I have onions and parsley and a little bit of basil, fresh basil. I love fresh basil, and I put some breadcrumbs, a little bit of salt, and 1 egg. I've been boiling this for about half an hour, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of a secret ingredient, which is a little bit of brown sugar. So it kind of just sweetens the sauce just slightly. And just kind of sprinkle it in. Stir it up. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and a half, and you can see that the sauce is getting nice and thick. So now I'm gonna just take the meatballs out and probably just let this simmer for maybe another half an hour. Oh, big yawn. All right, so the sauce has been cooking for a little while now, and I'm going to have Carlos taste test the sauce and the meatballs.
Buongiorno tutti. As you know, I was brought in to do this final tasting of this unbelievable sauce. So here we go. Okay. Could be hot. Got a bit of a kick, eh? Excellent. Molto bene, molto bene. Now we're gonna taste the chicken balls. Now these are one of my favorites. Sometimes we even have these in sandwiches, chicken ball sandwiches, which is I know for a lot of you Italians it's normal. So I'm just gonna cut one in half, and we're all gonna taste this. Okay. Now we gotta put, without this, it's not the same. Put some Parmigiani. Okay, and a little bit, just so you can see the, yeah, here it is. Here's what we got here. Yes, yes. Juice it up a bit. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness.
Good?
Unbelievable. Fantastico. Fantastico. Now, Laura, you guys can taste it now too. You need a big bite for all our followers.
Oh, there we go. That's probably the best meatball I've made so far. And because I put 2 banana peppers, there's a bit of a kick.
It's not so bad.
It's more tingly than hot.
Yeah.
That's good.
This music is actually appropriate. La vita è bella. Questo sugo per la pasta ha un profumo e un sapore meraviglioso. E Laura, non sei solo dolce, intelligente, ma anche molto bella. Mangiamo tutti. It's like dinner is ready. All right, let's see how this looks. Oh, that looks good. Wow, I've been looking forward to this. A little, I think we gotta go extra there. A bit more, maybe? No. All right.
Okay.
There you go. Good. This is for our followers. Now the meatballs. Yes. All right.
Well, we put them on top.
There. That looks
Okay.
really good. Yeah. And I'll need 2 as well. Need this Parmesan cheese here. Pretty much goes on everything.
So I drink the white, and Carlos drinks the red.
That's how we get along. You guys?
Cheers, guys.
Okay. Bon appetit. Salute. Salute. Al dente.
It's the only way to have pasta.
And it's
Al
spicy.
dente.
Woo!
It's got a bit of a kick.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, it definitely has a kick.
Holy shoot. Oh,
Make
wow.
you drink more wine.
I love it. It's so tasty though. I think my eyes are getting a little water. Can you feel it?
Yeah. And my grandma used to make it this spicy.
How many banana peppers did you put in there?
I put 2.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a kicker.
All right, it's good for you. I hear heat's good for your system most of the time.
Well, that was a spicy meatball. That's the spiciest I've made this sauce.
Actually, my throat is hot right now.
Yeah,
That was one of
I
your
actually
most-
had to put more wine in my glass.
That was one of your most spicy pasta sauces that you've ever done.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
that's what, 10 years now?
Yeah.
10 plus?
But my grandma used to make it that spicy.
It's delicious. It was delicious. If you guys could taste it, you guys should try it. The recipe is very simple. And, well, you saw Laura do it. So, yeah, but it was definitely spicy. The wine is helping a little bit, right? So,
Yeah.
I mean, we just decided to share this recipe and this, just hanging out with us, cooking. I think, hopefully somebody will enjoy that. And because, this is all part of the balance. It's all part of, for us, the simple things in life. We can't take things for granted like our health and the wellness part. I mean, you enjoy every moment you have. I think as you get older, I think I realize that, and so does Laura. And sometimes when we have dinners, we realize it's one of the moments we connect the most, right?
Yes,
Isn't it? Gardening somewhat.
yes. I do enjoy my gardening.
Yeah, so these are the things. I mean, we call these simple things, but they're huge things, right? Because every time we do them, even when I get into the gardening with her, I feel good about it. I feel, because sometimes we would spend the whole day doing it, and it's fulfilling. And I think getting out there, it's the nature again that kicks in. But cooking for sure. We love eating, right?
Yes.
We like to experiment. We like drinking a little bit of wine as well. That's all part of, you know, I don't even know if we can call wine drink. It's food, basically.
It's grapes in a bottle.
Yeah, and but I just think because we, you know, I think a lot of our friends are the same. I think they, you know, when we gather around a meal and, here or in Pico in Portugal or Italy or wherever, you know, I think it's an important part of your everyday. So we just wanted to kind of be saying, let's just share the few moments we have here. They can get a recipe out of it.
So it's important to remember, guys, you only die once and you live every day. So we loved having you guys with us today and hanging out, and we hope you enjoyed it.
Yes. We'll see you on the next video. And don't forget to
Like,
subscribe, comment, and
join our journey.
join our journey. See you on the next video.
See
Cheers,
you guys.